our only car camping.
No, it's not. So we've just arrived at Coed Brenin Forest Park. Here we are. Beautiful, beautiful pine forest. Layers and layers of it. It's just so nice. So yeah, we're going to have a look at some of the waterfalls up on this trail and the gunpowder works, and then we've spotted some places along the way that looks good to stay. So yeah, happy with this. No signs on the places either, which is always a bonus. No one can come trouble you if you like.
Massive! Let's go!
Woo! Well, this bridge has seen better days. Oh dear! Oh, it's a video. Oh well, we'll take the moment then. We're in this nice little place having a little drink, sitting on this lovely little ledge by this absolutely gorgeous waterfall that we don't know the name of, but we thoroughly enjoy, don't we, babe?
We do indeed.
So we found a couple of proper lush waterfalls on our little walk from the car. So we've got our spot for the night, so it's just exploring till the sun goes down. First waterfall over there, absolutely amazing. Looks like something out of Asia because of all the rain we've had lately. Don't know what it's called though. And then look at this one, right into a lovely pool. How beautiful is it?
Amazing.
My goodness me. Ah. So we just got back to the car and sorted everything out. Got our Chinese bedding on tonight.
It's always our bedding, like this is our only car camping bedding.
It's not. We've got that one.
This is the classic car camping bedding.
Okay,
classic.
Alright, we've got our
Classic
classic Chinese bedding writing on tonight. We're right by one of them rivers in Wales. No, we're right. We're shine.
Sorry.
Thank you. No, yeah, on my
that's
good
right.
light. We're right by the river in Betsy Coed Forest. It is, isn't it? Yeah. Just got into bed. We just had a little walk, saw the waterfalls, and yeah, gonna get an early night. We were gonna plan what we're gonna do tomorrow, but we haven't got any signal, so we're gonna scratch that. We're gonna get up early, find somewhere to go with signal, and plan our day tomorrow. We really want to go and do a wild camp and up some nice mountain, get a nice cloud inversion, and be at home in the mountains and the clouds and just bask, don't we? We want to bask
upon a rock in the sun.
Yes, please.
Yeah, no, we wanna bask. We wanna bask up on the mountaintops.
Yeah.
That's what we want.
Alright, so night.
Good
Au revoir.
night.
So here's our nice view of the treetops over there, and then right down at the bottom we've got the river, but you can't see that. But yeah, it's nice to wake up to this sound. Morning. Yeah, so it's a morning in Coed Forest, and no one's come past our little car. It's 8 in the morning, and we're here just enjoying our own little private forest road. Whoop whoop. Really a very nice place to wake up. Gonna get some coffee on the go soon, and then go and find some signal, and go and find what we're gonna do and where we're gonna stay for our wild camp. Good old moss cleaner. Good as new, that.
Yeah, nice and shiny. Puts a great shine on it.
So nice here. Absolutely beautiful. Got the really long river going all the way up there. Got the waterfalls, which we saw last night. There's been one car come past this morning. One. And it's the height of British summer. So lucky, and not a soul at the waterfalls either last night.
That was amazing.
Right, time to get on the way and do some more exploring. Woo.
I'm glad she got in the water.
So after a short morning's explore and some coffee and breakfast, we headed off into the heart of Snowdonia to Mawddach, where we're to be doing our wild camp for the next night. Well, the wind's definitely picked up a bit. It was meant to be getting less windy, not more windy. God, Mother Nature. Loads of stuff's wet. It's a wet one. It's a real wet one. Thanks so much for watching. As always, take care, enjoy nature, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.